Hi class. Today I'm going to give you directions on how to include that hyperlink that we talked about the other day into your PowerPoint presentation. So, for example, the subject that I'm going to review from last week's unit is pronouns and antecedents. We learned this last week, and you guys will do your link to your PowerPoint over the chosen topic you did for the last unit. So for example, I did the pronouns and antecedents. So I want to include, and you guys will too, in a video reviewing a pronoun and antecedent and what it does. So I found this video on YouTube and I want to be able to hyperlink it into my PowerPoint. So hyperlink, it allows you to go directly to the video without you stopping your presentation, going into YouTube, typing in the video, and then clicking on it. It allows for a much faster way to show the video in your presentation. So you will go to whatever video you find, which you will have to get that approved by me before you include it into your presentation, but you'll go up to the top, highlight it, right click, and click copy. Then from there, you go to your PowerPoint presentation and you will include it in your last slide. So my last slide is right here, slide number 5. So this was one previous example that I've done, but I'll do another one. So you will click on a text box, go up here to Home, you'll go to Insert, Link, you will click on Link, you will click on the text to display, and you'll right click and paste that link into this box here. You'll place this in a document and you'll go to your last slide, which my last slide would be slide 5. Yours might be different. And then you will click OK. So here it pops up. It is blue and underlined, which means it is hyperlinked. So when you go to present your video, you will come to this last slide and you'll be able to click right on it and it'll take you directly to the YouTube video and it'll automatically start playing. I think that this is very capable for you fifth graders to be able to do. It's just another thing that you can learn to use in any of your other classes once you get into middle school and high school. So thank you for listening.